Table shows some information about the number of times each student in the class was late last week. Okay, work out the mean number of late per student. Now, what people get confused with a frequency table is, let's say I ask you the question, what's the highest score? Okay, now some of you would say 15. That's not a high score. All that's indicating is the most common score is 0. The high score is 4. So you really need to think of this as there's 15 zeros. Now, if you're not good with these tables, write it out. Literally write it out like 0 15 times and 1 8 times and so on. But I can't bother to do that. Shortcut. Now, normally with the mean, okay, you would add them all up and divide it by the amount of scores. Now, it's not a case of adding these up straight away, because if you think about it, 15 isn't in my data set, 0 is. So really, if you want to add 0 up 15 times, I'm going to end up with 0. And if I add 1 up 8 times, you get 8. And if I add 2 up 3 times, I get 6. And what I'm really doing is I'm just multiplying these together. So 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 1 is 4. Okay. Now we have to add these up. Okay, so 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus 4. I'm going to add these up, because 6 plus 4 is 10, plus your 9 makes it 19, plus your 8 makes it 27. Okay, so this is the same as adding up all my scores. Then we divide it by the amount of scores there are. Okay, now it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's not the case, because there can't be 5 scores, because there's at least 15 zeros. So what we do then is we actually add this little bit here up. So I'm going to do 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And then so we do 27, which is the same as adding up all the scores divided by 30. Now we get 27 over 30. Now some people might not like this because it's a fraction, but fractions are perfectly acceptable answers. What this is really saying is that your mean number of students is less than 1 and 0, and your data sort of like agrees with that, because this is where the bulk of your data is. So my answer is 27 over 30. We can cancel this down, yeah, because 3 goes into both, so it'd be 9 over 10. Now again, and this is also a perfectly acceptable answer, but some of you might not like that, and 9 divided by 10 you can actually work out, which is 0.9. But any one of these 3 answers are all perfectly acceptable for this question.